I'm seeing your child is sleeping.
Yes, ma'am, he is sleeping. That's why I'm taking switch
Yeah, yeah.
right
Yeah, understood. Okay.
now.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes,
So
ma'am.
tell me, how are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. And what about you?
I'm also fine, doing good.
Great, ma'am. And where
Yeah.
are you? I love to know about yourself.
Okay. You would love to know about myself, about me. Okay. My name is Sheila. I'm based in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu,
Yeah.
and I have done my PG, post graduation. And for the past, say, 10 plus years, I am into teaching spoken and written Hindi here for all age groups.
Okay. So, are you teaching Hindi?
Yes, yes.
Yes. And are you YouTuber also?
No, I am not. I'm not.
Okay. So, should I
Mm.
introduce myself?
Yeah, sure.
So, my name is Poonam Soni, and I am from Jabalpur city. I am
Okay.
living here with my in-laws, and I have a kid. He is only 14 months, and I am
Okay.
preparing for a government exam, which is
Okay.
stenographer. And along
Okay.
with recently, I have created YouTube channel for improving my speaking skills. That's
Okay.
all about me.
Okay. Were you working earlier?
No, ma'am, I am preparing for a government exam only.
Okay. Okay. Uh,
Yes.
one of my very good friends, she stays in, one of my very good friends, stays in Jabalpur.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
have you ever been Jabalpur?
Yeah. She stays in Jabalpur, yes. Their whole family is a family of doctor. They're all
Okay.
doctors. Husband, wife, son, daughter-in-law. All of them are doctors.
Okay.
Yeah. She runs a, I think she's a radiologist. So she has this Disha X-ray clinic.
Disha X-ray.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah. I don't know the location exactly. I think, is it Ganjipura? There is a place called Ganjipura.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
I think
Kanchipura
so.
is very famous place
Yeah, I
in
think
Jabalpur.
so. Means how long you are into this learning English journey?
Ma'am, I have been learning since childhood, but when I speak, if I talk about speaking, so it's just 1 month
Okay, okay, okay.
when I have created
Spoken
my
only. Okay, okay, okay.
because
Okay.
there is no one in my family, so I can talk with them because
Uh,
all my family member are speaking in Hindi, so
okay,
that's
okay, 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 okay. So then what are you doing to, like, what are the steps that you have taken?
sorry.
What are the steps that you have taken to, improve your spoken?
Yes, ma'am, because of my kids, so I have don't that much time.
You
So
don't get
I
time.
have yes, ma'am. So I'm these days I am only watching YouTube videos when
Okay.
he's sleeping and when I have get some like free time. And these days I am doing conversation with
Mm-hmm.
someone when I get free time.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. I saw one of your conversations. I think you had sent one to me.
Yes, ma'am. I sent you.
Uh, yeah, I don't remember with whom, but I remember seeing your conversation. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
because daily I'm not able to attend any sessions.
Okay. 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 Yeah. You must be busy because of your child. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Because sometime when I take sessions, so he deliberately disturb me.
Correct. Correct. He's a child. He doesn't know all that. No.
Yes, ma'am. That's why.
Yeah. A small child. Small child always seeks attention.
Yes,
So that
and
happens.
he wants to catch mobile when I am
Correct.
talking to
Correct.
someone.
Yeah. Correct. That is his
It's
age now.
very
No.
difficult
So
to create
yeah.
video and doing
Correct.
conversation with him.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
Yes,
And you cannot predict his sleeping time also. It may vary from, on a daily
yes,
basis. So you can't say, yeah.
Sometime he sleep, and when I like taking session, so he just wake up at
Hey,
that time.
yeah, 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 yeah. That is a child. You can't predict. Yeah, correct. Hmm. But
So,
then
ma'am,
you have to get along with it.
yes.
Yeah.
And
But you are
tell me,
where is your your birthplace and all? That also is Jabalpur.
no, ma'am. Actually, I born and raised in Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
And after my marriage, I am living here in Jabalpur city.
Okay,
It is also in Madhya Pradesh.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
One of my friends, she also stayed in Chindwara, but I
Okay.
don't know the I don't know the area and all because
Okay.
I have left Madhya Pradesh. I was brought up in Madhya Pradesh, but I have left Madhya Pradesh years ago. After that, I
Okay.
haven't been to Madhya Pradesh. So I was in Shadol district.
Okay.
Mm. So it's been ages now. I
Yes,
haven't
ma'am.
gone back to Madhya Pradesh.
Ma'am, are you teaching at home?
Yeah, I take classes from home.
Online classes?
No, offline.
Okay.
Online also, but online classes I don't take Hindi. I
Okay.
take guest lectures because I was working as a lecturer earlier. So I
Okay.
take guest lectures.
So, ma'am, you are not YouTuber. So, how you add in this group?
Somebody added me in the group. I don't know who added. I
Okay.
think it is. I don't
I
remember
thought
now.
you are
But
also YouTube.
I have spoken to quite a few YouTubers. I like this. Of
I
I
have
like.
watched so many video of yours
Oh,
with
okay.
different YouTubers. So I
Yeah,
thought you are
yeah.
also YouTuber.
No, 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 no. I'm not. I'm not. Though I love speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the
So
reason.
you are speak in English also.
Yeah, because I have been speaking in English for years now. So, but I cannot say that, I am an expert or I am a master. I am also in the learning process. There is nothing called as expert or master when it comes
Okay.
to language. You keep learning every day. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. That's why, ma'am, I thought that I should create YouTube channel so I can connect with more people day by
More people.
means day on daily
Correct.
basis. So I can learn from that
Mhm.
people. So I when if I connect with someone, so I can also
Mm.
learn.
Correct, 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 correct. What else you do? What do you like to do?
Ma'am, I am
Speed
doing
is
this.
important, no? You have to practice speed also. Yeah.
Uh,
Mm.
certain speed is
Yeah.
important
Yeah.
for that.
Required. Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Shorthand also.
Yes, ma'am. 80 word
Okay.
per minute in shorthand and 30 or 40 word per minute in typing.
Okay. Typing Hindi, English both.
Ma'am, in Hindi, 40 something, and English is 30 word per minute.
Okay. Okay.
And ma'am,
Mm.
there is a government exam here, which is
Mm.
related
Mm.
to typing, CPCT, and I also passed that exam.
Okay. Okay. You have,
So,
oh, okay. You
yeah,
have this lower, higher kind of exams, no?
computer proficiency certified test.
Mm.
So
In
it will help.
typing also, you have lower, higher, isn't it? Based
No,
on speed? No, huh?
yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. It's based on speed, and it
Hmm.
will help us in government. It's for job.
Okay. Government job.
Yeah,
Okay.
because in many for job, it is mandatory to pass this exam, which is CPCT. To
Okay.
I have
Okay.
passed.
Okay. 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 So then you are only aiming at government job.
And right now, I want to get government job, but if I won't get jobs, I will uh, move to private also.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
because government job is not easy, you
Mm,
know. So
mm,
I'm struggling for that these days.
okay. What is what is a you know what is a why is government job the first choice?
Uh, for myself,
Yeah, for you I'm asking.
no, ma'am, because I after my marriage, my husband and my father-in-law
Mm,
told me uh,
mm,
that you should try for steno, and then
mm,
I
mm,
started learning steno. So that's
mm,
why I'm preparing for that. If I
mm.
won't get, so I will definitely do private job also.
Okay. But you also like this line that you are into? You like it?
Yes, ma'am, because I am preparing, so I also love to prepare this for this exam.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
We will connect again.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Hi.